Just continue to serve with all sincerity. That is what really counts. Like, what really matters is anna bhilashita sunnam, no other desire but to please Krishna. With that mood, with that attitude, serve Krishna. Then what will happen? Krishna will be pleased. And Krishna not only will be pleased, Krishna will be indebted. Krishna will think that this spirit soul, this living entity, this devotee of mine has done so much for me. Now how am I going to repay? So Krishna actually becomes indebted to his devotee when he renders service without any personal motivation. Now personal motivation is something like, you see, you render service to Krishna, but at the back of your mind, you have some other agenda. Like, you are rendering service to get a position. You are rendering service to get some other benefit. Now Krishna is the super soul, he knows everything. You may very expertly hide your intentions, but you can't hide it from Krishna. Right? So what Krishna wants to see, that we are rendering service without any other motivation. That is called anna avilashrita shunnam. Free from any other desires besides serving Krishna and pleasing Krishna. Right? So when we render service with that attitude, no matter how little, how insignificant that service may be, Krishna will reciprocate. And that reciprocation will be, at least that we'll get an opportunity to serve him even more.